In this lesson, we're going to look at the set method symmetric difference. And what symmetric difference does is it will return a new set of elements that are in both sets, but exclude the elements that appear in both sets. So into the example, set 1 equals Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Set 2, we have Dan, Erica, and another Alice. So we'll say set 3 equals set 1 dot symmetric difference. And then we'll specify set 2. And then we're just going to print set 3. And you'll see that you get back Erica, Charlie, Bob, and Dan. So the Alice's appear in both sets, so they have been excluded from the output.